This is the 2016 Scion IM. Just under 45,000 miles. I believe this is just some bird doo-doo, so. Nice sporty appearance package. Does have a backup camera right there. Great appearance package. I love the body design on it with the rims. Really looks good. Nice cargo tray to block people being able to see back into the trunk. And those seats do fold down as well. Second row. The seats are in excellent condition. And just lower seats just like that. I do have manual seats right here. I love the climate little fans right here. Looks like jet engines. Let's start it up. We have a dual climate control right here. Got a sport mode with traction control. Cruise control right here, voice command, automatic lights. Let's check out this nice backup camera. There it is. But let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions.